In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change languages on Amazon. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your Amazon browsing experience appears in the language you prefer. I'll walk you through the path in clear, simple terms and share a few tips along the way to make it smooth and stress-free. First, open your browser and go to www.amazon.com. You can do this on a computer for the clearest view. If you're already signed in, great. If not, that's fine too. The language setting is available from the home page, and the steps are the same whether you're logged in or just browsing. Next, look to the top right area of the page for the Account and Lists menu. It usually sits beside the Returns and Orders link and the cart icon. Click Account and Lists to open the menu. Don't worry if it also opens when you hover your mouse. Just make sure you click so you land on the Full Account Options screen where settings are easier to find. On the Account screen, locate and click Language Preferences. This link takes you straight to Amazon's language controls. The wording may appear slightly different depending on your current language, but it will clearly reference language. If you don't see it right away, scan for settings-related sections. Language preferences will be listed there. Now click Language Settings. This opens the page where the actual switch happens. Here, Amazon shows the languages it supports for your region. You'll typically see English and other common options for your area. The page may also outline how the language affects menus, navigation, and parts of product pages. Choose the language you want by selecting it from the list. Think about where you need clarity most. Navigation menus, buttons, and checkout prompts will all reflect this choice. Your orders and recommendations don't change, but the interface you interact with will. Pick the option that makes browsing and purchasing easiest for you. Finally, click Save Changes. Give the page a moment to refresh. You should see menus, labels, and links update to the language you selected. If something looks partially unchanged, a quick page reload can help, and the rest of the site will align as you continue browsing. You can repeat this process anytime to switch back or try a different language. That's all it takes. Go to Amazon, open Account and Lists, choose Language Preferences, head into Language Settings, select your language, and save. This adjusts the site's interface language and keeps your shopping experience comfortable and familiar. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing Amazon in the language that suits you best.